A very good morning. Today I'll show you an apartment in Pioneer Araya. This is the lobby area. This is in sector 62. So the one which I'm showing you is a townhouse or a duplex apartment and totally 7,000 square feet. As we enter, this is the drawing dining area. This is a small space. This one is the kitchen, very spacious. AC is attached. Total there are 2 servant rooms. This is the servant room. This is the balcony area. You have a sitting area over here. The front building which you are seeing, that is the clubhouse. So if you sit over here, you'll get a very good ventilation over here. Double heighted floor is there. This is the first bedroom, which is on the ground floor only. This is the closet area. Washroom is also spacious. Bathtub is there. This is the lower floor of the duplex. Now I'm going to the upper floor. This is the second bedroom. Wooden flooring and all is done. Super luxury project. AC is attached. This is the master bedroom. You see how big is the closet area. The washroom. Total is 7,000 square feet. A very luxury project, very much connected to the near this rapid metro. The balcony is connected from this, a very big balcony. AC is attached. There are 2 ACs. So this space you can see, this is they have given a small pantry as the kitchen is on the ground floor. So you can make a small pantry over here. This is the storeroom. You can make, or this one you can make the storeroom. In this room they have given ACs, so you can make a small study room kind of your office. Total there are 4 bedrooms. So now I'll show you the third bedroom. It is spacious. Washroom is attached. They are very spacious. See the balcony. And it is a luxury project, super luxury property. Wardrobe is done by the builder only. AC is attached. Now I'll show you the 4th bedroom. See, this bedroom is also spacious. Everywhere the closet or wardrobe area is there, so nothing of your bedroom is gone wasted. See, such AC is attached. Washroom is there. Sector 62 Gurgaon. My name is Amit Agarwal. I would only request please subscribe my channel, so whenever I upload any videos you'll surely know about it. From the first floor also you can go to the lift area from here. So it is a super luxury bro. Thanking you. Please subscribe my channel Property in Gurgaon.